Hey, what's up, guys? I just wanted to give an update on my tank and my new lighting schedule. I'm actually glad I've been recording this because I have seen some amazing results in the past few weeks. Everything is looking amazing. If for those of you who don't know, I changed my light schedule up about a month ago now, and trying to maximize coloration, maximize growth. And I've got an 11-hour photo period. My par range is anywhere from 120, 130 to 150. Out of that 11-hour photo period, about 4 of those hours I'm running at full spectrum. And then the remaining hours is all blues. And it is doing magnificent. I'm leaving it exactly where it's at. I might turn the intensity up in a month or so, but looking at these results, I'm leaving everything where it's at. I've seen a lot more alkalinity consumption. I had to up my dose on the Kalkwasser. I currently have it in my ATO, but I just did a little DIY on a calc stir with a magnetic stir on the bottom. I'll be putting that in this week. I can't decide if I want to use a dosing pump or a automatic top off pump. If anybody has any wisdom in that area, please leave me a comment and for any suggestions. Yes, everything is looking so healthy, so fluffy. The colors are coming out. I also did some other things. I know you're supposed to do one things at a time, but I had an ICP test, my first one come back, and all my trace elements were low. So I started dosing trace elements, and I believe that's got to do with some of this color that's coming out and really looking bright. But yes, my tank is looking the absolutely best it has ever looked. Also, speaking of trace elements, I noticed literally the day after I started dosing the trace elements, my Zoas, some of the ones were struggling, and my Zoas literally just took off. They all opened up. The ones that weren't opening up, and they were all fluffy. And my Ghanies are reaching like crazy, and they just look great. Like the first, like they did when they looked in this, when I bought them in the store. They just look amazing. But yes, alkalinities 8.3 to 8.8. Calcium 420, 440. Magnesium almost 1500. Phosphates a little high. Last time I checked, they're 0.1. And my nitrates always run around 5 to 10. I got a refugium underneath. I'm running 2 G5s, Radeon XR15 blues. Like I said, I run the full spectrum, but I cut out cyan completely. Not completely. I leave it at 20%, but I cut it way down, and I don't turn my UV past 50 any part of the light period. And it just seems to do so much better. I'm getting coralline all over the rocks. It's just really coming together. That's one of the best parts about this hobby, is seeing all that hard work pay off. It's very rewarding to see that. But thank you guys for taking the time to watch.